In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on autofill for your email ID and password in Firefox so you can sign in faster and save time every day. If you use the same websites often, this is one of the easiest ways to make logging in much smoother. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-line menu icon. This is the main menu where you'll find all of Firefox's settings and options. From the menu, click Settings. That will open the Firefox settings page in a new tab. Now, inside Settings, look for the Passwords and Autofill section. Depending on your version of Firefox, this may be listed as Passwords or Autofill options, but the goal is the same. You want to get to the area where Firefox manages saved login details. Click on Password and Autofill. Here, you should see an option that says Save and Autofill usernames and passwords. This is the setting that allows Firefox to remember your email ID or username and your password, then automatically fill them in when you visit a login page again. To turn this feature on, simply tick the checkbox next to Save and Autofill usernames and passwords. Once that option is enabled, Firefox will begin offering to save your login information when you sign into websites, and it will also fill those details in for you the next time you return. If you want to make your browsing even easier, you can also check your saved logins later in the password section, where Firefox stores websites, usernames, and passwords securely. From there, you can edit, remove, or update entries whenever needed. Just remember that autofill can be very convenient, but if you share your device with other people, you may want to review your privacy and security settings too, and that's it. Autofill for your email ID and password is now turned on in Firefox. The next time you sign into a website, Firefox should help fill in your details automatically. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.